Hey everyone, Jane here at Attrell Toyota here in Brampton, and right now you are looking at the 2018 Yaris 5-door hatchback LE. Now this particular vehicle is in black, however it does come available in a variety of colors, and I will list those in the description below. But what I'm going to do for you right now is give you a quick little walk around the exterior, show you as many features as I possibly can, and then I'm going to bring you inside. Keep in mind, if there's anything that I missed or that you'd like to know more about the vehicle, please feel free to leave a comment in the section below and I will try to answer them to the best of my ability. So starting at the front here, we have this beautiful black grille. You of course have your chrome Toyota emblem there. Our headlights are projector style halogen headlights. On the sides here we have 15-inch steel wheels. They do have silver hubcaps as well. You have color key door handles. The fuel cap will be on the driver's side of the vehicle. Because this is a hatchback, of course, you have your very own windshield wiper at the back and your chrome badging. We have black outlining all of the windows, and lastly, your side view mirrors are color keyed as well. So there you have it, the exterior of the 2018 Yaris 5-door hatchback LE. Let's go inside. So just before I bring you inside of this beautiful hatchback, I just wanted to show you what your key fob is going to look like. So it does look just like this. And yes, of course, you have keyless entry. So just click that unlock button and that is what's going to allow you right into the vehicle. On the driver's side here, or driver's side door, I should say, you have your controls for your power windows as well as your power locks. Just underneath, you have a spot for bottle storage as well as some regular storage. Let's go completely inside the vehicle and start it up for you so everything works. On the left-hand side of our steering wheel here, you have your side view mirror controls. This will dim the lights on your dash. Down here is all of our Toyota safety sense. So this one is our lane departure alert. We also have your automatic high beams, and we do have a pre-collision system built right into this vehicle. So a nice and safe vehicle for you for sure. To pop your hood, there's just a little pull tab there, and for your fuel cap, it's just down here on the floor. As for the steering wheel, it is a tilt adjustable steering wheel, and it does have audio controls. So you have your volume up and down, your up and down arrows, you have your mode button, you have your pickup and your hang up for Bluetooth, and you also have your voice recognition. Just underneath that is where you can find your cruise control. In the center, we have a 6.1-inch touchscreen display. It does come integrated with AM, FM, as well as Bluetooth, a CD player, a USB input, and an auxiliary input. And of course, another safety tool hidden in there, which is our backup camera, which has a really clear picture. Just underneath that screen, you have your air control, and just underneath that is where you can find your USB input as well as your auxiliary input, and of course we have a charging outlet down here for you as well. You have two cup holders just up here, and it is a 4-speed automatic transmission in the Yaris. Just below that is where you can find your heated seats for both your driver as well as your passenger side seat, and your traction control. Speaking of seats, the seats are a beautiful bucket seat. They have this like 4-tone gray and black material going down them as well as this white stitching. So they're not just comfortable, they're also very eye-catching. And up top you have of course your interior light control, and you have your dual overhead vanity mirrors. So there you have it, my friends, the front seat of the 2018 Yaris 5-door hatchback LE. Bringing you into the rear seat of the vehicle here, that beautiful multicolored fabric material is carried throughout, so very, very eye-catching. Now I know the number one thing I should say that people are skeptical of is the space in a Yaris, because it is such a compact vehicle. People think that there's not going to be enough legroom. Well, let me tell you, I am 5'8", and this seat is set to where I would drive, and I can still fit back here with a little bit of space in between my knees and that driver's seat. So it's definitely more spacious than meets the eye, but of course that's not all the back seat has to offer. We also do have your seat back pocket and your passenger side seat. You of course have the ability of opening and closing your own windows, and we have this giant cup holder and or storage, whatever you'd like to use it for. But I think the number one thing that people love about these hatchbacks is the fact that these back seats can go completely down. There's just little pull toggles on either side here, and it is a 60/40 folding. So as you can see, very simple to flip those seats down and extend your cargo space. To get into the cargo space of your Yaris, there's just a button right underneath this Toyota symbol. You just want to press it and lift at the same time. It's very nice and light, so very easy to open. Inside the cargo space here, as you can see, you could definitely fit everything that you would need daily commuting to school or to work. Like I mentioned, if you are someone that wants to go on, say, like a week-long camping trip and don't think that you have enough space back here, it is very simple to fold those back seats down. So you can either fold the 60 half or the 40 half down, still have room for some passengers and fit larger cargo things. Or you can flip them both down. You will eliminate the back seats, but you will definitely extend that cargo bed. Now, space, I should say, not a bed. This isn't a truck. Up here, there's a little handle, so if you don't want to get fingerprints all over your hatchback there, you can close it using that. Again, it's nice and light. Now, of course, the part that you were all waiting for, the engine. Underneath the hood here, you are looking at our 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, and it does have variable valve timing with intelligence with 16 valves. Now, of course, you're wondering how fuel efficient is this beautiful vehicle, and it is sitting at 7.3 liters for 100 kilometers combined on the road and highway. So there you have it, my friends, the beautiful, compact, safe, and fuel efficient 2018 Yaris Hatchback 5-door LE. Now, if you do like what you're watching, go check out our YouTube channel because we have tons of videos of all the cars, trucks, and SUVs that we have here on the lot, plus some extras. Also, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and share them with your friends. You can also find us on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, all under Attrell Toyota. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one.